Good morning, droning on fans. So last night I put live my first impressions video of the Mavic Air 2, which did arrive finally. So I had a chance to get it all open, unbox it and inspect what's in the bag. Silly me forgot that there are ND filters in there as well. I couldn't find them in all of the pockets of the bag and only found them once I'd published the video. But hey, it is what it is. But I did actually fly it last night. And this is an early preview because I haven't published any video on this yet. But I have to say, I flew it last night in winds that I would normally fly my Mavic 2 Pro in without hesitating. And the Mavic Air 2 is nowhere near as much of a stable video platform as I suspected because of its weight. I could see it bouncing around in the video footage, the live stream, and looking at the video post analysis as well, I can see it bouncing around, and it just wouldn't be bouncing around if it was the Mavic 2. Also, the OcuSync did not seem as stable and reliable as the OcuSync of the Mavic 2. There were times when the OcuSync would just pause and then it'd carry on. And that seemed to happen every couple of minutes, which was a bit of a worry. You know, you get that moment when the live feed pauses, you can see the drone still, of course, in line of sight, but you just think, am I going to have to fly this thing manually back home? Sorry about the noise in the background, that's our drone, or our Roomba vacuum cleaner doing its morning shift. But I'm going to put a video out about this, but I actually think that the Mavic 2 is far superior in almost every respect except for flight time. But it's only 4 minutes, guys. You know, ultimately, I just don't like the new controller of the Mavic Air 2. I don't like the less stable platforming up there when it's a little bit choppy. And the OcuSync unreliability, the app is like an app from a budget beginner's drone. There are so few features on there, you can't even control the gimbal speed, which it's just a step backwards for me. But anyway, I'll put a video out on this very soon, after I've done my hair and had a toasted sandwich, because it's Sunday morning. Anyway, have a good day, folks. Interested in your comments, do comment below.